check it out? Let's go.
Station Tire again, coming at you with another project build. This is getting into be summertime. What do we love to do in summertime? We're doing upgrades. And that's exactly what we're going to do for this customer here. That customer bring us a 99 Jeep XJ, which is the Jeep Classic square body, as you can see. And what we're going to do with this thing is we're going to give it a nice lift kit, a better stance, some more off-road capability, and definitely some tire upgrade. We're going to upgrade his tires from 235/70 15s, okay, to this Cooper Discover ST Max. Talk about this tire just a little bit. What's really nice about this tire, this customer happens to drive his vehicle every day. This tire is super aggressive. It's kind of a tweener tire. It's in between a mud terrain and it's also in between an all-terrain. Lets it ride nice and quiet, but as you can see here in this tread, we got some super good capabilities, both on-road, off-road. C-load range tire, got the Armor Tech technology in it, which we'll talk about later when we're mounting these tires as to what makes this tire really stand apart. Talk about the lift kit now. We happen to be a Rough Country dealer. This kit is going to come complete. This is a 3-inch lift from Rough Country. It is their latest one out for this Jeep. Got the upgraded springs for the front for the lift. We're going to be running Rough Country's brand new premium shock, the N3. This is a nitrogen filled shock with variable valving in it. What that means is this shock's going to adapt to the driving conditions, whether you're on road, off road. It'll soften up for you while you're driving on the road. It's going to stiffen up real nice when you're off road. This kit comes with heavy duty upper arms, as you can see here. Add a leaf rear springs, punch that rear end up. And then the one thing that this kit doesn't come with is the steering dampener. Okay, so we're going to upgrade from the factory steering dampener to the N3 premium steering dampener by Rough Country. The reason why we're doing that is we're going to a little taller tire. We're going to a little wider tire. And these Jeeps are prone to a thing called death wobble. It's where that front end wants to wobble around. Bigger, wider tires want to track the grooves in the road. This here is going to help suck some of that up. It's also going to be able to maintain steering stability while driving off-road, so the wheel's not going to try to rip out of your hands. So we're going to see how this lift goes. And I think it's going to turn out pretty sweet. We got a pretty decent platform that we're working on here. I believe our customer is going to be extremely happy. So why don't you do us a favor? You know, this is coming to you through our YouTube. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a like and share. Hit that sub button for me. We'll see you later. Do some more video on this as we get the build going. Thank you.
Should we go check it out?